Viewers, thanks for watching our QeaSys education videos. Uh, I'm Gopal and I would like to welcome all of you watching this education video. In this video, we are going to cover the topics which includes how to add appointments for patients, how to capture vital information in the appointment, how to create an outpatient to a clinical patient. So appointment has some of the details for the customer, and you want to create them as a clinical patient. So how to do it? So let's log in. So I'm going to log in with my uh, demo ID, and let's quickly go and manage. So click on appointments. You see there is a manage button, manage menu. So that's how you have to look out for appointments. So this is a screen which is going to display appointments for the specific day. So you say if you look at it, it's on 23rd. It is looking out for it, and you can do a search on specifically about with this based on the status, based on the contact number, even based on the token number. You'll be able to search. So I'm going to search on a customer uh, with the specific details. I'm just going to enter this. I'm going to search this customer, so I don't find it. So what will happen is like I'm going to create a customer. So this is a fresh customer, who fresh patient who is walking in or probably getting into a clinic. I'm going to click on add. So what you see here is like the basic details where you are asked to choose the appointment date. I'm going to choose 23rd as an appointment date, and uh, because there is a slot already available, so that's why it says it's probably nearing it. So I'm going to choose 8:20. I'm going to specify the patient name as a demo user 1, and what is sex, male or female. I'm going to specify age is 45. Because the contact number is already searched, so it's automatically pre-fills that information, so you don't have to enter that again. So I'm going to enter the email address to uh, my sample email address. Address is going to be whatever address is going to be. I'm just going to say Kalki Street and Chennai. And if you have any other information about the patient on what is the reason why he's here, you can specifically say he's having stomach fever and stomach pain. And you can notify the customer if he's coming for a day after appointment. So you can notify him saying that he will get a message from the clinic that his appointment date is so and so and what time is that and all those information. I'm just going to say book appointment. So what you get this information is about what is the queue number, what is the status, what is the date and time, and all those information. So because the date which we have chosen is 22nd, and you see the second token number, you can remove this. You can go in a sequential mode. That's based on the setup. You have to go to doctors and set up and configure that way. So, and that's how you got this information. So, and if any follow-up required for this particular patient, you can just click on follow-up, and then you will see all details already filled up. You want to set up it like 1 month later. I'm just going to choose that some Saturday and just say and just say submit. That's all you have to do for setting up a future dated appointment, like after a month or something. So that can happen only within the clinic. So you can set up a follow-up only within the clinic. You cannot do it in the online, because when you set the frequency of when you want to advance booking date, you'll not be able to do. If you set to 5 days or 6 days, then you'll not be able to do. So those are details where you can set up follow-up. I'm just going to move on here. And I'm going to click on the specific appointment so that we'll go and look at it. So what you have is the vital information. This is the basic information, and you see what is the vital information for the patient. I'm just going to mark him as allergic, is a diabetic, he's taking a medication, and what is the whatever weight you capture him. So you can temperature, what is that? It's going to be 39, and yeah, it's like 145. So whatever details you want to capture based on this, so you can just save it here, and all the information which is getting stored is there, and any point in time you'll be able to retrieve using it. And let's go through patient. So here is like what you see here is a patient tab, and you can convert this patient to a clinical patient. He is just an appointment who came in. He may be coming subsequently or not, but you may feel like he may be coming subsequently. So you can just look out for any previous appointment. So if not, you can create a new. I'm just going to create a new. What you see is like a lot of details already populated. So I'm just going to press it's a blood type, and if he's having insurance card, all this information, and then you can specify it's going to be and then go ahead and create. So once you created, you will see this icon comes up. You can take a photograph of the patient and then load it. So I'm just going to click on return. It'll go back, and you can still match it and then link it. So you are already linked to that patient. So whenever you want to move, you can just simply move this way. Yeah. Okay. Now that's how you can link a specific patient. A specific patient you created converted a appointment patient to a clinical patient. And if you want to look at the specific details about other specific details, you can in the top you will see there is a history button here. Click on history. You will see the previous history details will get loaded. So that's how it works. And as of now, this is what is being covered in this particular video. You can watch the subsequent videos to look at specific information. Thanks for watching.